Question 61. Which metal is most prone to break due to weld joint shrinkage? Answer, cast iron. Question 62. Which of the following is the name of the pressurized portion of a boiler through which water and steam travel at least once? Answer, steam drum. Question 63. What sort of material has a very coarse and silvery grain structure? Answer, white cast iron. Question 64. What precautions should be taken while welding in areas where the public may be exposed to the arc's rays? Answer, proper screens and warning signs. Question 65. Which of the following is a functional component of a regulator? Answer, diaphragm. Question 66. Which component of a welder may convert AC current to DC current? Answer, rectifier. Question 67. What is necessary when utilizing the oxy-fuel cutting method to cut thinner materials? Answer, more torch inclination. Question 68. What might be the reason of root suckback? Answer, improper position of filler metal addition, current too high, and travel speed too slow. Question 69. How does ASME detect the chemical composition of weld metals? Answer, a numbers. Question 70. What is the most typical drive roll profile for FCAW? Answer, neural drive roll system. Question 71. Which of these is the primary function of a taper pin? Answer, precise location of mating parts. Question 72. Which of the following best explains flash burn? Answer, burn to the eye caused by exposure to ultraviolet light from the welding arc. Question 73. How many distinct kinds of welding tips are there for oxy-fuel welding and brazing? Answer, 2. Question 74. When conducting gouge operations on mild steel using manual CACA, which of the following is most likely to result in excessive carbon buildup on the base metal? Answer, improper air jet position or flow, travel speed too fast. Question 75. What is the most probable cause of the wire's inconsistent feeding? Answer, dirty liner. Question 76. What shielding gas allows for greater penetration, quicker welding rates, and a smaller heat-affected zone while employing the GTAW technique? Answer, helium. Question 77. The oxy-fuel cutting technique employs oxygen and which of the following gases? Answer, flammable gases. Question 78. A bolt that is tightened by spinning counterclockwise is considered to have which of the following? Answer, left-hand thread. Question 79. How would you test oxygen fuel apparatus for leaks? Answer, with a leak detection fluid. Question 80. With FCAW, what will increased amperage produce? Answer, narrow, higher bead with less metal flow and deeper penetration.